Oh, I don't know if you guys are following, but General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi has just sued O'Sullivan 5 million for defamation of character. So let me just circulate back a little bit. But let me start here. Tomorrow is the Commission of Inquiry starting, and General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is expected to testify tomorrow. So everything is starting. So if you remember when General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi had the press briefing, O'Sullivan came out doing interviews saying ukuthi General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is a corrupt cop coming out pretending to be a whistleblower. Yeah, but so he said some things. So General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi right now is suing him 5 million just on the eve of him testifying. I saw he posted, I think on Lukhona Mngoni, if I'm not mistaken. I saw he said ukuthi O'Sullivan must just relax and wait because they're waiting for affidavits. Let's just read here quickly. So it says here, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi sues Paul O'Sullivan 5 million in damages. Mkhwanazi alleges that Paul defamed him post his presser, wherein he called him a criminal, someone who runs a hit squad. That's what O'Sullivan said about General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. And then here it says that KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi has filed a defamation lawsuit against her own forensic investigator, Paul O'Sullivan, seeking 5 million in damages. This legal action stems from O'Sullivan's repeated public accusations against Mkhwanazi, labeling him a criminal and calling for his suspension from the South. O'Sullivan even wanted General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi to be suspended from the police out of nowhere because O'Sullivan was not even accused of anything. So I don't know about Phithizela wenzani phofu kutsotsi naqala. And then now, I was listening to the anchor interview actually. It says just hours before he is expected to testify, which is General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, KZN Police Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi seems to have other matters on his mind. He has served the forensic investigator Paul O'Sullivan with a defamation summons claiming 5 million in damages. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think this is a good idea? I think it's actually a good idea. I think it's a good idea, but you guys tell me, what do you think? Do you think it's a good idea? And of course tomorrow we're all going to be glued to our screens. I'll try my best to keep up, but yeah.